Hi guys, I'm John. Toy review for you.
Hi guys, and today we're opening super duper playset to make some super tree from the Play-Doh. What we're opening, Sophia? Can you describe us?
We're gonna open a jewelry tree.
Wow, and we're gonna decorate it.
Yeah.
Let's see what we have. So we have Play-Doh jewelry set to make decoration for this super tree, to make it nice for our jewelry sets that we have. So let's start opening. So Sophia, what we have in that set?
We have Play-Doh, we have the jewelry tree, and we have a little thing that's cool like the Play-Doh.
So this is, guys, the colors that we will decorate our tree, but we have to make it first, our super duper tree. Let's make it. We have, guys, here the tree that we have first to take out and make it from the cardboard. So this is the tree itself. I have to punch it out. So this is, guys, how our tree looks like before we decorating it. Can I climb it? Can I climb? Can I try to climb it? Ah, looks nice, but missing its decorations. We will decorate it soon. We will decorate it soon. Now, guys, we have these tools for squeezing out the Play-Doh, right?
Right.
This tool looks nice, wow, and big. Let's see how it's working. How we're feeling the Play-Doh inside.
We put the Play-Doh inside like this, and then we squish it by putting this thing in it.
Do we need to open cup? We need to open.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
So how are we decorating it? We need to place it flat first. And let's starting work on it. It seems a little bit hard for Sophia to push, and it's designed for little kids. I don't know, little hard for us. Let's try. Let's try other color, something more friendly maybe.
Pink.
Okay, let's feel the pink one. So we tried the green one. It was a little bit hard to push out the color for Sophia. So let's try other color, maybe it will go better.
I need help.
Help? guys, the tree. How do you like it, Sophia?
But I really like it.
But it was some challenging work for us during the creation of this tree. What do you think, Sophia?
Yeah, it was hard.
It was hard pushing out this Play-Doh and this tool. Sophia get used to it at the end, but at the beginning it was little bit hard for young kids, I would say. And Sophia is already a big girl, but it still was pretty hard to push out. What do you like, Sophia, in this tree most?
I like the birdies and the back of the birdie too. There's a birdie on the back of it.
Wow, little pinky birdie. And where's the another one?
There's another one over here.
Here, right. And what else, Sophia?
There's a mushroom over here, and there's like the leaves or the stump of this tree.
Wow, it looks amazing. We will use it for our jewelry, right?
Yeah.
Definitely.
This one over here.
We put already one. Wow. Thank you guys for watching us.
Like and subscribe. Bye bye.
See you next time.